Greetings, my beloved scholars. Nice having you on this platform today. Okay, apart from knowing your physics theories, physics practicals, and physics calculations, another skill that every physicist must have to do well in the standard exam is solving past questions. There are two kinds of tests. We have teacher-made tests and standardized tests. Most of the tests you have in your school is regarded as teacher-made tests. Here, the teacher maps out the tests to determine your performance or to detect how far you've learned the course outline. Then standardized tests is done by external examination bodies. Standardized tests wants to know how much you've learned your syllabus. Syllabus is embodiment of all the course outline in your academic journey from SS1 to SS3. How much do you know about physics? And for this reason, we'll be focusing on standardized tests today. A good example is wire questions and JAB questions. Okay, we'll be treating JAB question, past question today. There, let's flow. Okay, question number 1 says, in the diagram above, you can see the diagram. Which of the simple pendula will resonate with P when set into oscillation? Simple pendula. Pendula is the plural form of simple pendulum. You can see all those tiny circles represent a simple pendula. They are talking about resonance. Amongst them is P. Which one has resonance with P? That's what the question demands. Therefore, the real question becomes, what is resonance? What is resonance? Resonance is a very simple phenomenon. It involves two vibrating bodies with the same frequency. If I have one body vibrating and each vibration is 100 vibrations per second, and I have another body and the vibration is also 100 vibrations per second or 1 second, therefore that's said to be in resonance. Resonance is a phenomenon where two vibrating bodies have the same frequency or similar frequency. A good example is in radio station. You must resonate to the FM of radio station before you can get their information. If a radio station has FM of 90.5 FM, 90.5 FM, for you to get the message from that radio station, you must resonate to 90.5 FM. This is what we call resonance, equal vibrations to permit interaction. Okay, in simple pendula, the easiest way to know the pendula that have resonance is checking their lengths. The length of the thread or string holding the pendulum. Okay, let's observe. Any two pendula that have equal lengths are said to be in resonance because here the length permits the vibration. Okay, let's go back to the board. P is not the same length with Q. Neither is it the same length with R. Not the same with X, not the same with U. P is in resonance with what? T. So P resonates T. They have equal length, equal vibration. Then we'll go to the option. Okay, the answer is what? T. Option A is the correct answer. Please stay tuned as we solve more.